Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm here with another mind-blowing video. If you are putting in a lot of work to create great content and YouTube is not recommending your videos, I mean you are getting low views on your videos, that is because there are some features on your YouTube channel that you have not fully activated. And trust me guys, ever since I have known about these features and ever since I've turned it on, my views has actually changed for good, and YouTube has started recommending my videos. So I'll be showing you a screen record on how you can go about these settings. So if you find this important and very useful, please stick around to the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That being said, let's go straight into the recording. So guys, to get started, you come to your Chrome browser, all right? And this is because I want to access the YouTube studio as on a desktop site, all right? So you click on studio.youtube.com, all right? So I'm going to click on go. So it's going to be showing me this in a desktop mode. I need to access this setting in a desktop mode. So I'll click on continue to studio. So when you're here, you click on your settings here, click on your settings, then you click on channel, you click on feature eligibility. Now there are three features here. This is number one, you enable it. Number two, you enable it. Number three, you enable it. Now a tip on how you can enable with your phone number in Nigeria: please make sure that you use an MTN number, because other network might be very difficult to be enabled. So after you have done that, follow the instruction and enable these three features. Then you come back to basic info here, then you choose your country of resident. It is very important guys, please don't sleep on that. Then you come to the keyword section, all right? On this keyword section, you input your keyword tags that are related to your niche. For example, I am teaching about YouTube growth, so I have YouTube growth as my target. This is one of my keyword. YouTube tips, YouTube algorithm, content creation, monetization, these are my keywords. And if you look down here, you see that I added my people in my niche, people that are doing well in my niche, I added them here also. So this is very important, so please go and turn this on your channel. And after you are done turning this on, after you are done inputting all these keywords, you click on save here. Please remember to save every of your settings. And for the keywords, you can add up to 500 words in this box. So you click on save and you are good to go. So guys, I need you to implement this on your channel and come back to testify, because surely YouTube will start recommending your video. Please don't forget to subscribe and please click the like button and turn on your bell notification to be updated anytime I upload a very good content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.